Wow, Jonathan. You making a picture? Oh, wow. You want more color? What is that on your hands? What do you want? You want more colors? Well, you have a lot of paint there.
Mom.
Here, right here. Look, you have pink. You have color. Color. Wow. Yeah, you're making a mess. That's okay. Another page. Want to change the page? Oh, there we go. You want to color that one? Oh, are you putting it on yourself? Not on your belly. Put it on the paper. Here, let me help you open it. Here you go. Uh-oh. Are you all done? Okay, let's clean the mess. Okay? You're dirty. Hey.